So the question is, do I take him off this little pedestal and just have him be a snail-shaped gemstone? Garry. You know, Garry the snail. Or do I leave him on this little pedestal right there so that he's perfect for a specimen? Focus. Camera never wants to focus properly for me. What do you think? What do I do? Garry's got tons of color in him. It's definitely a snail. Take him off the pedestal or leave him on this little pedestal he's on? That little pedestal right there. What do you think? Or maybe I should name him after the racing snail on Never Ending Snorri. But, you know, Garry's a newer snail than that.